back to MS Live right here on MS24 TV with your boy Mophty. And I just had a great conversation with my brother Kojo Fans via Zoom. It is out with a new project. Hello, it's me again. You can check it out on all streaming platforms and add to your playlist. And you can also watch us live on ABC News GH. So tell a friend to tune in. And we are going to serve you with great delight. I have my next guest in the studio, and he goes by the name Mophty. Hey. Broski, everything cool?
Everything cool, bro.
Charlie, how be?
I do what you see.
Vim. So right now we have 4 months to go.
Yes.
Then finally the year comes to an end.
Sure.
How has the year been for you?
I would say, it's been good.
Okay.
Actually, it's been good. Just that, there have been some rough moments, with my mom. Yeah, and that actually took me off social media for some time, actually. I was not feeling myself.
Okay.
But then I had released Measurement.
Okay.
That was my first release, for the year. But, coincidentally, my mom had an issue, so I had to drop the promotion and everything.
Okay.
So I was indoor for I think 3 months or so.
Wow.
For I think 2 or 3 months.
And how were you able to overcome it?
It wasn't easy, and that brought about free your mind.
Free your mind.
Yes, it wasn't easy because I had to stop whatever I'm doing. You know how serious I am when it comes to my promotion. I try my possible best to make sure my audience or all my fans hear me out.
Yeah.
But with this one, I had to stop because I couldn't just watch myself, in the video promoting whilst my mom is, was on oxygen,
Wow.
finding it difficult to breathe at Confanoche, had gone through operation or surgery. It was a whole lot for me. So I had to drop. So the year, it hasn't been friendly for me. I must say that. And that brought about free your mind. Yeah.
Right now, how is mommy feeling?
Mommy's fine now. Yes. I mean, she's been discharged. I mean, she's home. She calls me, we talk. I mean, it's not like it used to be, as compared to when she was in the hospital. So I would say she's fine. I mean, once she discharged and finally home, I mean, we're just hoping for the best.
Because we need you to be back on the road.
Sure. We're doing it for our mom. I mean, our mamas.
Yeah, for real,
so
for real, bro.
if you are doing it and mama is not feeling well, it's serious.
Yeah.
It's serious, So I've been through it this year.
True.
Yeah.
We are grateful that right now you are back on the road and mommy's feeling well.
Sure.
And we are waiting for more hits.
Yeah.
From Mophty. But
serious.
I know previously you were here on the show.
Yeah.
And you were heavily promoting your song single with Kuami Eugene.
Yeah.
How was the reception of the song?
Great. I mean, I feel like that's my other or my next hit song so far. I don't know how people will see it, but if I check the streams, on all the DSPs, it's quite encouraging.
Okay.
Kuami really did his best on, and I also tried my best to put my effort in. And shout outs to Master guys as well. So I feel like Case on my way. Single.
Yeah.
These 3 songs are my top. When I check the streamings, I feel like
The top 3.
like millions. We have millions streams for that particular song, and I feel like shouts. Kudos to Kuami.
Okay.
Kuami and Master guys made it possible.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I hope the streaming is reflecting in your pocket.
Hopefully, yeah. I don't know how to put it, but the streaming is quite. I don't know how to put it, but our pockets comes from the shows mostly, understand? Because the streaming is hard. It's not really. I don't know how people see streaming, but to me personally, I'm not receiving too much, when it comes to stream. But I mean, it's normal. We get our streams or we get our money from maybe shows and that kind of thing. Yeah, but we get streamings as well. Though.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like the reason why I want us to talk about is it reflecting in the pocket, because we all know what's happening to our brother. He's a legend in the game. Baroski in the UK, him being homeless, and it's sad to see that. To see someone who has really played in the game with a lot of hit songs going through that.
Yeah.
Personally, as an artist, when you see those things on social media, what runs through your mind?
Man, it's not easy. This work. I've seen that. I saw that from my boss, Nana Romeo. I think Nana Romeo interviewed him. Yes, I saw that. And I was asking myself, why? What actually sent him there? I don't know what actually.
For greener pastures or something.
Yes, and I feel like, I don't know. I was asking myself why during their time, was there was there no what do you call streaming platform like streaming for them as in
During that period,
royalties?
streaming.
Yes, royalties.
But I'm supposed to ask you that. Aren't you part of Gamro?
Gamro, no, I use different. What do
So
you
why
call
aren't
it?
you part of Gamro?
Okay, I don't know, but the thing is, I have what do you call terminated my current PR.
Okay.
Yes, which I'm planning to move to another PR. So maybe hopefully I'll register with Gamro.
Okay.
Yeah.
But what about Baroski's issue? Like, what does it say about the industry in general?
Oh, the industry hasn't done anything. Yeah, I mean, hasn't done anything. Like you said, he was off, maybe traveled for greener pastures, like you're saying. It has nothing to do with the industry. Maybe that's a personal decision.
Okay.
You understand? So I think the industry is out of this. It's just that the industry has to extend what do you call help. You understand? Because I mean, he's put records. He's given us his songs.
Yeah, for
you know,
real.
he's paved way for artists like me.
Yeah, true.
So I feel like the industry has to set in, but as in it has to do with the industry, as in maybe they actually orchestrated this or they made this happen. I feel like the industry is out of this.
Of it.
Yeah,
Okay.
but they have to help.
They have to help.
Yeah, they
they
need
have
to
to
help.
stand some hands
Exactly.
to help out.
Exactly.
Okay. So last time you were here,
Yeah.
we were talking about a potential EP that you are about to drop.
Even so.
Mophty, what happened to the EP?
A whole lot.
Give us the backstory.
I wanna say, I mean, shouts to Master Ghazi. You know, I was here with Master Ghazi last time.
Yeah.
Yeah, we talked about the EP, but unfortunately something came up. Yes, Master Ghazi, I don't know what to say, but I feel like the plan, the budget and everything for the EP, it exceeded our strength. Yes, we wanted to make it very huge because it's my first time EP. And I didn't really want anything, okay, let's do it like that. So Master Ghazi had to actually postpone it. And we have 1 or 2 features on that. It's been back and forth. Like, it's been, okay, like a whole lot.
What's the issue with the
With the
collab? Collaboration?
Oh, okay. I don't know what to say about the
Which
collab.
artists are we talking about?
Oh,
Well, I know definitely Kuami Eugene was going to be on.
no, Kwame, okay, the song with Kwame it's no longer going to be on the EP.
Okay.
Yes. I have couple of features with Last Mate and Olive the Boy.
Okay.
And
So which of the songs was causing that commotion?
Oh, on the 2 songs. I mean, the 2 songs, it's been it's been back and forth. I feel like, I mean, we need to be on the same space, you know, even though we work together, right? But we need to understand each other. Oh, okay, let's release it this date. But I think the main cause of it is because, you know, other artists are busy. They also have their own schedules. And, you know, I don't want to do anything to affect someone's schedules. Because probably you're going to need a person to also promote this for you.
True.
Yeah, so I think that is the main cause. Because I want to see to it that, oh, they are free. Okay, this month they are not releasing anything. The artist is free enough to promote the song with me. But here, like the case, they are all busy. You know, everybody has his own, what do you call it? Yeah, so I feel like we are not just meeting at the same, like we are not, I don't know how to put it, but yes. So that's actually the whole cause. It's not anything.
It's not anything
like,
huge.
Yeah.
Okay. That means you are getting it next year, I guess.
I'm still planning. I'm still planning giving it this year.
Okay.
This year, no. I mean, my team and I, we are planning, but the budget. Okay, and I want to use this. Yeah, I want to use this platform to say I need an investment or investor or an investor. Yes, I need that because it's my first time EP and I want to make it huge.
Okay.
I really want to make it huge because, you know, I know the feeling when you release a single song or a single track and it doesn't go. So imagine releasing a whole package like 5 or 6 songs and you don't see the impact. It's really going to break me down. So I feel like I need people to, you know, hold me up. Master Ghazi, everybody. You understand?
To come true for you.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. But you know one thing I'm expecting? I want like more collaboration with you and Mr. Drew.
Really?
Yeah.
But Mr. Drew and I, we have collabs, so.
We want more.
Recently I worked on one with him.
Is it going to sound like the previous one case?
Oh no. It's not going to sound like that. This is I mean for the girls and boys them actually it's like love vibes. And you know Mr. Drew and his way like his sound. Yeah, let me put it that way. His sound is like full of dancing, that kind of thing. So I mean, he put me on his song, which I think maybe after the one he has with Kim Paluta,
Yeah.
he will drop that one.
You drop that
That's what I
song.
know.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's
fingers
see.
crossed.
Oh yeah. That's what he
Mophty
told
and
me.
Mr. Drew.
Oh yeah. I mean, they should expect something.
Okay. But in the near future, can we get any potential maybe joint EP
with Mr. Drew?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Is
of
it
course.
possible?
Possible. It's possible. It depends on his availability and maybe his readiness. Because Mr. Drew is always. I mean, everybody has plans. That's the
for
tip.
real.
You understand? Everybody wants to, like, have maybe someone bigger than he is.
Yeah, true.
On his song or something. So I don't really know what the future holds for us.
Yeah.
But it will be a great honor to work on EP with him.
Yeah.
You understand? Yeah. So let's hope and pray.
That would be dope.
Sure.
Dope. It's going to be hell.
We have
All hell is
songs.
gonna
We have
break
songs.
loose.
We have songs though.
Okay.
Mr. Drew, shout out to you. We have songs. I mean,
Okay.
right?
So, Mophty, I want us to get into your new song,
Yeah.
Free Your Mind.
Sure.
Why free your mind?
Yeah, I mean, like I was saying, the year wasn't really friendly to me, and I came back from the hospital. After I visited my mom, I came back to Accra. So when I came back, I was playing beats. Like I said, Miraculous sent me that beat, and the only thing that came off head was free your mind, because mentally, I was not okay. I wasn't at all. And my road manager will attest to that. I had so many people consoling, trying to call me to calm down. So I think when I played the beat for the very first time, the first line that came, on my mind was free your mind. So I started the first line, free your mind, don't be there, let's party today, forget tomorrow. Free your mind, paddy, don't be sad. Free your mind. If you don't know, make I tell you how I know the finish. So I can't kill myself. So actually, that was the whole thing. The first line came and then the rest followed. So it was strictly for me and for my mom, and it extended to the audience. But it's basically what I've been through over the year. Sorry, I mean from the beginning of this year, I was not stable, so I had to free my mind because a lot was going on.
That gave birth to the song.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
I want us to talk about the beat. It has a bit of sampling of Praye's Angelina.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, everybody talks about that. It has that. It has that rhythm, and I can say about 20% it influenced my lyrics, or let's say the vibes on the song, because that song was a very it was a
huge
big
song.
Yeah. I mean, so no two ways about it. So I would say somehow it influenced my choice of words, the energy on the song. Yeah, but not necessarily, sampled or something.
Okay,
It's actually, I would say the beat is rather interpolated.
Okay.
Yes, but the words is different. Because if you listen to that song, the concept is different from Free Your Mind. Way different.
True.
You understand? But just that I would say it revolves around that melody. I mean, shouts to them. I talked to Prayer, before I released the song, but it was rather unfortunate. His wife passed away.
Yeah,
so
he's
it
going
was,
through a lot.
yes, so I didn't really.
That's Titia you're talking
Yes.
about.
Okay.
No, Honeho.
Okay. I think so. I spoke to one of them.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah. It was rather unfortunate. She was really going through something, so we couldn't really talk about things. But I mean, I just gave him the big ups, and I just made sure I told him that I mean he inspired everything I'm doing, and kudos to him.
So it's other ways like paying homage to them.
Exactly. I mean, I talked to him, and
Okay.
I told him it will be a great honor to speak to the group, but I couldn't get to everyone. But I spoke to him, and I mean he gave his blessing on that song as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
In case opportunity presents itself, do you love to work with them?
Of course, of course. I mean, it will be a great achievement. I mean, who doesn't want to work with people or legends like Prayer and all of them. I mean, I'm even looking forward to have a remix with them on this song.
Wow, that would be great, man.
Yeah,
That would be great.
I mean, and Familia too. I need Familia on this
on the
one.
song.
Yes.
So remix.
Remix, seriously.
Free Your Mind.
Free Your Mind. I need Prayer, the squad, and I mean Familia on it. Yeah.
Okay, it's going to be a.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
So let's talk about the video.
Yeah.
The concept of the video. How did it come about?
Okay, so shouts to Director Holly. Actually, we didn't plan for the video, but shouts to him. because the first day when he heard the song, he was like, "Bro, let me shoot this video for you. I have an idea," and I thought it was one of these normal things. So he actually took us to the beach because it's free your mind.
Okay.
And you know, people go to the beach to free their minds.
Mind, yeah.
So actually, we took the video there to symbolize, to show or signify. I mean, I don't know how to put it, but I would say for the mind to be freed, or just free your mind, because people go to the beach purposely to free their minds. I don't know what you go to the beach to do, but I know for sure that people go to the beach to free their minds.
To do a lot of stuff.
You understand? But whether you go there to anything that you do over there is basically to free your mind at the beach. So the concept of the video, or the reason why we shot the video at the beach, is purposely to free your mind. Yeah.
Okay. So what's your favorite scene in the video?
This one.
Okay.
The girl playing the guitar.
Right. Why that?
Because it has that, I wanted to make use of the African vibes.
Okay.
Yes, I needed that, because if you listen to prior, that melody, like that rhythm, is more of like old vibes. The girl wearing that wig, playing the guitar, it shows some kind of African vibes.
True.
Like some high life.
Okay.
That's what I needed, in the video. And there was a guy wearing Ghana jersey. I just want to show Ghana in the video.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So was there any challenge that you guys need to go through?
I swear. We went to the beach. I forgot the place. Is it Coco? I forgot the place where we went to shoot the video. But we went there, and there was like I don't know whether I should call it a river. We had to cross to get to the beach, and it was. I mean, the whole place was flooded.
Oh.
And there was this small, boat. We need to, sit on to cross the river, and we couldn't. So we had to literally walk through. So I mean, the stress, and it was the rainy season. It was raining heavily.
Wow.
When we shot this video, so we had to, because all the mothers, they had to cross. Some were scared, some were crying. A whole lot happened. I mean, shouts to them, but they still made it possible. They still tried their best to put together all this masterpiece. And shouts to Director Holly.
Okay, that's very cool.
Yeah.
But how many days did it take you guys to?
It took a day.
A day?
A day.
Okay.
But the thing is, we wanted to shoot it like 2 days. But because, the mothers were coming from different places, and even on the way going, it was raining heavily. We almost canceled everything. Yeah, so it took a day, but I think the director later went there to took some other scenes as well, because you can't bring the models back again, because they are coming from far places. Yeah.
Okay. Sure. You made a line in the song with the Taribum Chaka,
Yeah.
What influenced that line? Because we all know Taribum Chaka was the one doing that signature. That
yeah. And so we say, Bumuna Kotosa, Iba, Pejana Bakune Diasa, Taribum Chaka. So forget tomorrow party. And when you go to parties, definitely you dance.
Yeah, for real.
You dance. So, and there, Taribum Chaka's dances everywhere. You lift your leg, So, it's just a normal statement. And I feel like I just wanted the song to be more of Africa. Like, you feel the groove, Ghana, feel free, just feel easy on it. Yes, that's basically the whole thing.
Free your mind.
Free your
Simple.
mind. So, Pajana Bakunedi as a Taribum Chaka,
Okay. So right now the song is out on all streaming platforms.
Everywhere.
Mophty, Free Your Mind, out on all streaming platforms. Last words to your fans and anyone you want to give shout outs to before we wrap up.
Yeah, so I want to give shouts to my brother Black, shouts to him. Shouts to Master Ghazi, shouts to, shouts to my other road manager, Mr. Kiss. Shouts to so many people. I don't know, shouts to Director Holly, shouts to all the, all the crew, the girls, the mothers that came, pull out for the video, shouts to Mr. Drew for, making this happen. Shouts to God. Shouts to MX24 as well for making this possible. Bless up. That's all I can say for now.
Okay. Thanks for coming through, my brother. Really appreciate your time. That's my brother Mophty. He's out with a new song, Free Your Mind. You can check it out on all streaming platforms and add to your playlist. Guys, unfortunately, we have to wrap up the show. You can follow us on our socials, MS24GH, #MS Live. Catch you same time, same place. Love conquers all. Peace. I'm out. Stay easy.